Have you ever opened a PDF on your iPhone and noticed there are a few extra pages that you don't actually need? Like blank pages, duplicate pages, or maybe screenshots that got added by mistake. Well, there is a super simple way to remove them. And in this video, I'll show you how to quickly delete PDF pages on your iPhone. And the best part, the app is completely free and works offline, so you don't have to worry about uploading your files online. First, go to the App Store and download Systweak PDF Editor app on your iPhone. You can also use the link given in the description below. Open the app, and on the home screen, tap on the plus icon and tap on Open File. Select your PDF file you want to edit. After opening the file, tap on the Viewer drop-down at the top and select Document Editor. Here you'll see all the pages of your PDF in thumbnail view. To delete any page, simply select the page you want to remove. You can also select multiple pages at once if you want to remove several pages together. At the bottom, you will see so many options. Swipe left and tap on the Delete option. Tap Yes to confirm, and the selected pages will instantly be removed from your PDF. Once you are done, tap on Done and your file will be saved automatically. You can also directly share the edited PDF through email, WhatsApp, or other apps from here. And that's how you can easily delete PDF pages on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments which PDF editing feature you want us to cover next.